Are you looking for the best gaming computers under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming computers under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Acer Nitro 50 Gaming Desktop. The Acer Nitro 50 is a sleek, performance-focused gaming desktop built for gamers who want smooth, high FPS gameplay without stretching their budget. Featuring a 10-core Intel Core i5-14400F processor, up to 4.7 GHz, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics, it's capable of running today's popular titles at ultra settings with minimal lag. Equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, expandable to 32 GB, and a fast 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, the Nitro 50 ensures quick load times and seamless multitasking. The system also includes cutting-edge connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E, DTS, X Ultra audio, and multiple high-speed USB ports, including a front-facing USB-C Gen 2x2. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or content creating, this PC delivers responsive performance in a modern, fiery accented tower. Add in Windows 11 Home, a USB keyboard and mouse, and strong upgrade potential, and the Acer Nitro 50 becomes one of the best gaming desktops under $1,000 for entry-level to mid-range gamers. Pros: powerful Intel Core i5-14400F, 10-core, processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6 GB VRAM for solid 1080p/1440p gaming. 16 GB DDR5 RAM, expandable to 32 GB. Fast 1 TB Gen 4 SSD for quick boot and load times. Excellent connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, USB-C, multiple USB 3.2 ports. Modern design with included keyboard and mouse. Windows 11 Home pre-installed. Cons: RTX 3050 is capable but entry-level for newer AAA games at ultra settings. No liquid cooling, air-cooled system only. Limited upgrade space for larger GPUs in the future. Summary: as indicated by my tests, the Acer Nitro 50 offers impressive specs for its price, delivering smooth gameplay, fast multitasking, and future-ready connectivity. With an Intel i5 CPU, RTX 3050 graphics, and speedy DDR5 RAM, it's a reliable pick for gamers wanting a high-performance setup under $1,000. Perfect for 1080p gaming and ready to handle most modern titles with ease. Number 2. HP Pavilion Gaming TG01 Desktop. The HP Pavilion Gaming TG01 is a versatile desktop designed to handle multitasking, productivity, and light gaming with ease. Powered by an 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11700F, 8-core, up to 4.9 GHz, it delivers high-end processing power perfect for content creation, streaming, or demanding software applications. Packed with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe SSD, it ensures lightning-fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and plenty of space for games and projects. The inclusion of a GeForce GT 610 2GB GPU is a bit dated for serious gaming but can still handle basic graphical tasks in older titles. Connectivity is modern and flexible, featuring Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, and a handy card reader. Aesthetically, it features a sleek black design with customizable LED lighting and effective cooling through brushed thermal vents. While not ideal for high-end gaming, the Pavilion TG01 shines as a reliable productivity and light gaming PC with impressive multitasking capabilities and an excellent CPU. Pros: 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11700F, 8-core, up to 4.9 GHz, offers excellent multitasking and processing power. 32 GB DDR4 RAM for smooth multitasking and performance. 1 TB PCIe SSD ensures fast load times and ample storage. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for modern, fast connectivity. Sleek design with customizable LED lighting. Includes keyboard, mouse, and Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. Cons: GeForce GT 610 GPU is outdated and not suitable for modern AAA gaming. Not ideal for serious gaming or GPU-intensive tasks. Limited upgrade potential for graphics performance. Summary: my findings show that the HP Pavilion Gaming TG01 is a solid desktop for users focused on productivity, creativity, streaming, or light gaming. Its powerful Intel Core i7 CPU, generous RAM, and fast SSD make it perfect for multitasking and everyday use. While the graphics card won't support high-end gaming, it's a reliable choice for professionals or students who need a fast and stylish system with great overall performance. Number 3. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is a well-rounded and future-ready gaming desktop built for smooth, high-performance 1080p and 1440p gaming. It runs on a 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13400F processor with 10 cores, 6 performance plus 4 efficiency, making it ideal not just for gaming, but also for multitasking, streaming, and light content creation. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB, this rig can comfortably handle modern AAA games and VR experiences with excellent frame rates. The 16GB DDR5 RAM and a blazing fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD ensure quick load times and seamless gameplay. Additional highlights include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, multiple USB ports, 7.1 channel audio, and a sleek design with custom RGB lighting and a tempered glass side panel. It also comes with a keyboard, mouse, Windows 11 Home, and lifetime tech support. For under $1,000, it's a great value pick for gamers who want strong specs, smooth performance, and stylish aesthetics. Pros: 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13400F with 10 cores for strong multitasking and gaming. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB delivers excellent 1080p/1440p performance. 16GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD for speed and responsiveness. Stylish case with tempered glass side panel and custom RGB lighting. Includes Windows 11 Home, keyboard, and mouse. Free lifetime tech support and 1-year warranty. Cons: Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 are slightly outdated for newer connectivity standards. Can be noisy under heavy load. Limited upgrade room and tighter case designs. Summary: the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC offers excellent value and reliable performance for modern gamers. With a powerful Intel Core i5, RTX 4060 GPU, fast storage, and DDR5 memory, it's well equipped for smooth gaming and multitasking. Add in sleek design and tech support, and it's one of the best gaming PCs under $1,000. Number 4. HP Victus 15L Gaming Desktop. The HP Victus 15L Gaming Desktop is a sleek and budget-friendly option for casual and entry-level gamers. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G processor, it offers smooth gaming performance and handles multitasking with ease, especially for titles that aren't graphically demanding. It includes a 1TB SSD, offering plenty of storage for games, media, and applications while delivering fast load times. The compact tower features customizable RGB lighting, giving it a stylish edge for gamers who like a bit of flair. Although this model references a 15.6-inch FHD display that appears to apply to a laptop variant, the desktop itself requires a separate monitor. However, it supports high-resolution visuals and provides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for convenient setup and wireless use. Overall, the Victus 15L is a capable desktop for gamers who want a reliable, good-looking system with fast storage and solid performance for the price. Pros: AMD Ryzen 5 5600G offers smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. 1TB SSD provides fast boot times and plenty of storage space. Customizable RGB lighting adds visual appeal. Compact, modern design suitable for small setups. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy wireless connectivity. Cons. No dedicated graphics card, relies on integrated Radeon graphics. May struggle with newer AAA games at high settings. Monitor not included, despite mention of display in some product variants. Summary: the HP Victus 15L gaming desktop is a sleek and affordable option for entry-level gamers or everyday users. With a capable Ryzen 5 CPU, fast SSD, and stylish design, it's great for casual gaming, streaming, and productivity. Just note, it's best suited for lighter titles or as a stepping stone into the gaming world. Number 5. Lenovo Legion T5 Gaming Desktop. The Lenovo Legion T5 Gaming Desktop is a powerhouse built for serious gamers, creators, and multitaskers. At its core is a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700F processor with 16 cores and 24 threads, delivering top-tier performance for gaming, streaming, and content creation. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, 12GB GDDR6X, it handles modern AAA games at ultra settings with ease and supports ray tracing and high frame rates at 1440p or 4K. It comes loaded with a massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a blazing fast 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD, allowing for instant boot times, smooth multitasking, and tons of storage for games and media. Connectivity is robust with a mix of USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4a, and Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth. Bundled with Windows 11 Home, a wired keyboard, and mouse, the Legion T5 is a complete and future-ready gaming rig for those who demand high-end specs, speed, and reliability in one sleek tower. Pros: 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700F with 16 cores for elite multitasking and gaming. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, 12GB, for ultra-level 1440p/4K gaming and ray tracing. Massive 64GB DDR5 RAM for seamless multitasking and creative workflows. 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD for lightning-fast storage and load times. Wide range of ports including USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4a. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth for modern wireless connectivity. Includes Windows 11 Home, wired keyboard, and mouse. Cons: high specs may be overkill for casual or beginner gamers. Premium configuration makes it more expensive than typical mid-range setups. Large RAM and storage leave little room for budget flexibility. Summary: the Lenovo Legion T5 gaming desktop is a high-performance beast built for serious gamers, streamers, and creative professionals. With its cutting-edge Intel i7 processor, RTX 4070 GPU, and massive 64GB RAM, it offers ultra-fast performance, expansive storage, and future-proof gaming capabilities. Perfect for those who want a top-tier desktop that can handle anything thrown its way.